Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will tell you how to use the multiplication command in TIA Portal V16. I am using S7-1200 PLC and let's start. First of all, one sec. First of all, we will take in previous lecture we discuss about this multiplication command. Now we use this division command. Division command. Division and multiplication command, both we will use. First I take this my multiplication command, and here I use this data in dent, and here I go to the data block 2 also we can use. As per first I discussed about how we can make the new blocks. For example, I make it here new block, no problem if you understand, and I will go to the data block 2, and this data if you like to give the name, and we will give the name for multi multiplication data, and take it here. Here it can give the data number 1, data number 2, data number 3, data number 4. How many datas if you like to make, you can make in here, and also giving here different names. And here also have to be defined first which data you used. I am using dent. I have to be tell D word means double word data. Also you can write here double word. Also here can use double word, D word, double word, D word, and also I make it this all data retain, because of if power goes, after values will be not disturbed. In previous lectures I already discussed about that retain data, why we'll make this retain data and make it go back. And here I take my first data, go to your this data block, multiplication data block, go, and I choose my first data. Here I choose my in this one second data, and here I use my third data. In multiplication data, third data, because this two datas will multiply and I take answer in my third data. And this here also one I use my one open contact I0.0, and here I use one timer on delay. Here I use my one on delay timer, this one on delay timer, and I use this data from multiplication data 3 number, that go to this db multiplication, and data number 3 I used here. And here I want to see if data running time MD35 I will use for this data to see the time. This program I download to the PLC, and then click load. make it simulation on, and see this one. Display I will take in decimal to better understand. Also this I will take in decimal form. Also this I take display in format in decimal form, and my I0.0 is on. First I will make the stop, and here see, here I put, for example, make this wrong data at here, because if once you click wrong, this data too I have to type, and this also I have to be download again, because the program disturbed after he think what is he writing, after he not understand. For example, in hexa I put here 5. Hexa basically is letters 0 to 10, and here I put multiply with 1000. For example, oh sorry, again we will make a mistake. This here I have to give data for multiplication data second. Again it download. See, when you write to a data, double click first, and here I go to in decimal, I go it write it here 1000, and 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal 5000, and 5000 is how much? 5000 is mean 5 seconds. That 5 seconds when executed, when I give the signal to I0.0. Sorry. See, when it's completed the 5 seconds, your output will be on. It will change his behavior. And if I write to 1 second, I will make it this also here 1 output to use for Q0.0. After you can see the data and timer on off. Then click again load. And make it simulation on. See, here 5 seconds after your Q0.0 is on, and I will make it again stop, and think about if I need to write here 6 seconds, I only have to put it here 6. No need to change any, like to be write 6000, I need to only 6 write, and my timer will be go at 6000 milliseconds, yani 6 seconds. Make it again on, and see it here, it's coming 4, 5 and 6 seconds after it will changes output. And also if you need to see in seconds, you like to see in seconds time, also we can use, here I use one I0.0, I0.0, no, make it here I0.0 and here it will be 0. Second have one calls, please. So boss, if I need to see my this also this seconds in running condition, how much running, so I will take my this data MD35. I will take it here MD35 and here I use my fourth data, multiplication data, and I will use this fourth data and I will take answer in MD0, and again it I download to the PLC. Click load and make it simulation on, and see now what's the function of that division command. For example, when I make it my I0.0 on, and that data will be transferred at in division command. As I give the signal to I0.1, sorry, this is I0.1. When I start this one, after you can see the display continuously in MD0. And if I in this running time, I will make change this data also, put it 7, and as I stop and after start the command, you can see the here your seconds will be running 4, 5, 6 and 7 seconds after our output will be executed. And if I like to change this time also, I don't need to go anywhere, and here only change I put it if 8, and then you will be 8 seconds get, yani this make it execution on, and you can see it here also that running time 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8 seconds after your output will be on. That simply, I think so this is the very simple method for using this multiplication command and division command, that any data, yani when you see this MD35, I take it in division command, and this is how much this formula where what I used for 1000, because of 1000 milliseconds equal is 1 second, and when you put it 8000, after this will be 8 seconds, 8000 milliseconds when you write, after this will be 8 seconds. And this formula, if you put it multiply in the program, after you can get continuously that 8 seconds. If you like to write, you can write it here 8 seconds, and you will be get 8 seconds. And that this data registers you also take at the HMI, and there you can see which data you write for program. And I hope you will understand about this command. Inshallah will be next video. I will show you next command. If you have any thing not understand, send me message in comment section or send me email. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.